The goal of a safer Pennsylvania for our children is one step closer as House Republicans continue their work on improving the law. The Children and Youth Committee voted out a number of bills from the Senate dealing with child abuse.
I have to applaud my committee, the House Committee on Children and Youth. They started work in January of 13, and literally week after week with hearings and meetings, they have put together what I consider to be really a fine child protection package. We actually produced 12 bills. Then we worked with the Judiciary Committee. They produced a number which we then sent to the Senate. What you will see coming out when this is all finished with the legislative process will really be a very fine, and from an English teacher's point of view, carefully worded group of bills designed to improve and enhance child protection in Pennsylvania.
Prior to this recent committee vote, the House had already sent more than 24 bills to the Senate for consideration. These measures would strengthen legal definitions of abuse, create harsher penalties for abusers, and provide training on how to identify and report abuse.
Child protection's everybody's business. You don't have to be a legislator to do this. We need to start just caring in general, keeping an eye out for children across Pennsylvania. Then a predator or a perpetrator can't hide in the shadows because there won't be any shadows, and they can't do what they do. The more knowledge we have, the better we are, and we'll give them the laws to back it up.
House Republicans are committed to pushing until these protective measures are signed into law.
This committee of mine is terrific. They'll go back after this is all enacted, then they'll wait a year or two, and we'll go back and look to make sure it's working and do follow-ups. And if something doesn't work and we hear from DPW or caseworkers in the field or local police, then we'll go back and fix it. Because again, we come back to what's the basic, what underpins it all is the protection of children so that they have an opportunity to grow up safe.